Using Erank to skyrocket your sales on Etsy is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Erank to skyrocket your Etsy sales. So as you guys can see, I'm at the Erank's website. So here you just have to click on this start for free. So for that, you need to register your account. After registering your account, you need to go to your Etsy as well, and you just have to sign into the Etsy account as well. After signing into the Etsy account and creating an Erank account, while creating the Erank account, they will want you to set it up with the Etsy. So you just have to merge it with the Etsy, and what it will do is it will help you skyrocket your sales by giving you proper keywords and descriptions that you can put in your product. Suppose if I open up this product, and as you guys can see, these are the keywords that are used, which is helping them skyrocketing their sales. So you just need to do the same. Erank will tell you how exactly and what exactly keywords you need to put in your products. So you just have to create an account and Erank. It will tell you the keywords. You need to put the keywords in your Etsy store for your product, and there you go. Your product will start to sell more than before. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.